So here we are again. Now this is a very interesting story. Anand just cleared PMP like 10 minutes ago, and story of Anand is like very interesting. Anand, how many time have you read Pimbuk?
No, zero.
He keep on asking me, do I have to read Pembroke? Do I have said no, no. Like whenever he heard like this guy have read 5 times Pembroke so many times, he always get confused and come back to me like, do I have to read Pembroke? Said no, no. But today he did it, and he did in the style. He did examine online, and his journey is very interesting. He did very few mocks, but let me put it here for everyone in the context. He's one of the most intelligent people I've ever seen. Like even when we were having one-to-one training in 7 days program, he was very good. I kept on saying him, "You are going to clear. Just read one time," and that's what he did. So Anand, please.
Thank you so much, Amir. For first of all, I have to tell that it's all your guidance. It helped me to clear the exam. Like I was really tense because whenever whoever I asked, because yes, I think you asked me to contact Amir. So even when I had a discussion with him yesterday, he was like, "Man, you didn't read Pimbuk. You have to read at least." So I was like, oh my God, I'm not asking anybody more because because I thought to be very frank, even though my mock results, I think it was not for I did three mocks only. So the prepcast one, 7 was very useful, but even the results are little not that great. But still, for the people who are attempting it, I have to tell that if you're confident enough, do the prepcast, PMI, everything, and if they are confident enough on how, like if they understood the concept of what the process are, I think it's pretty enough to clear the exam. That's what I can say.
Okay. So tell us your exam experience. What happened in first 89 minutes, and what happened?
Uh, e- Even that also it's reverse because first 89 minutes everybody said that we have to complete that within 1.5 hours. That's the maximum. But for me, I think I took like correct 2 hours to complete
Okay.
the first 18 questions. So I thought like my God, my time is going to get over because anyway I've taken more time. So then first 18 after that first 89 questions, then there was a break. I took the break, then I relaxed for a while. Then I thought like, okay, in the 10 minutes I will plan how to attempt the next 111 question. But it was very useful. I think majority of the questions I answered in 3-4 seconds. So it was not, maybe if you understood the concept of control quality, you could have used, okay, which is the document to update, which is a tool. So it was easy. So some questions were like not direct, which one do you prefer using it, something like that was asking. So if you know the tools and technique and know the output of what the particular process is, it's easy for you to answer all those questions. Then many questions, numericals were very less, like 3 questions only I got for numericals, but SPI and CPI questions were there, but you don't want numericals like 10 by 20, you know what the answer is. So I don't think you need a specific calculator for that. Questions were there for SPI and CPI, but you don't need a calculator kind of stuff for that. But
Okay.
critical path questions were 3 questions. It was little lengthy, like you have so many activities, so that whiteboard stuff was little difficult for me, but it was okay, it was manageable. But that comes after the in that comes in that 111 questions, but still I managed to get it done. It was okay. For everybody, what I have to say is read your slides properly, read it thoroughly, like understand the concepts, watch the videos, like all the initiation process, closing, everything. You watch it. Closing, I think it was little tricky also, it was not very direct. So even though we understood the process, maybe we'll miss some kind of like we'll get confused. So closing was the only one which I feel little difficult or little stressful, I feel, but rest everything was okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I
Great.
believe like everybody, those who, if you have understanding of the concept, then I think it's very easy actually for clearing.
If you understand the concept, you can clear the PMP exam. Okay, Anand, let's come to the very important thing. How many questions from which topic?
Uh, which top major questions for me was from risk,
Okay,
stakeholder,
okay,
communication. But many people say that change request will have majority questions, but to me, I think stakeholder plus change request, risk plus change request. procurement questions was like very less for me. Major was from stakeholder, communication, and resource and the risk. These are the major areas which you need to concentrate on.
Okay, okay. Anything else you would like to add? Like this area needs special attention, something like that.
Uh, I would like to highlight because risk is very important, because there are questions where conflict is there for me to identify like risk and issue. Like there is a risk and there is an issue. So what will be getting updated? And will you issue a change request, or will you do update it in the risk register?
So what
So
you
and
did?
it,
What you did?
I don't know if the answer is correct. So
that that is a
based on the
beauty.
questions,
That is a beauty.
based on the questions criticality, I have managed it. But it was not one question; it was many questions. So like three, four questions were like that. So I hope the thing was correct for me. I think I did based on the question. If it is critical, as you have to take the action as early as possible. So based on the question, you just read the question whether it is a critical thing. That is a major point where you need to focus on, because majority of the questions like a critical deliverable, a project which is getting delayed for a long time and it is in a critical stage. So some kind of things which we need to understand from the question itself. So the results I don't know, but I hope my answers are correct.
Anand does not matter. You cleared the exam. That was the only thing that need to happen, and that did. That is the real thing, actually. No? Apart from that, anything else does not matter. That we need
Yeah.
to understand. Everyone like, okay, we are getting, and I'm sure once you get the result, you will get the above target. But the important thing is this: that you need to understand this thing, that you have cleared the exam. That is the
Yes.
most important thing. Everything else is secondary. That how much targets I got, no one ever asks you how many targets you have, above target, below, all those things. Okay, being said that, what is your one advice that people feeling like now we have 7 days, and you know that
Yes.
like more than 100 of our students will be appearing in that 7 days. So what is your one advice, because you did very less mocks, apart from
Yes.
doing apart from doing uh, prepcast number 4 and prepcast number 7, and going into questions, looking at the right and wrong answer, what else you can tell them that can help them to clear the exam?
uh, First thing is, don't, like, if somebody is telling read PM book or read Rita, something like that, read everything fully. Don't hear that. So it's like it's very limited time for the, because I'm not telling that you should not read. You can read it, like you say, you can read it for later if you want to have deep understanding. But since the time is very limited for the people.
Let me put it in my context. You want to read Rita? Good. It's one of the best book in market. Read after getting PMP.
Yeah, that's what. Even I also suggest the same thing, but since the time is very less, just focus on each process, understand like how the process is working, and understand like connect each process, like perform integrated change control, like how it is linked, how the
Understand the
work
flow.
performs.
Understand the flow.
Understand the flow.
Yeah.
Correct, exactly.
Understand the
Understand
flow.
the flow, and like you say, master each journeys. Would only do that and get, I think you can easily clear it. But when you do the mock, if you are getting a wrong answer, if you are getting a bad result also, just understand where you went wrong. That's a major thing, because that is the area where I could focus more, and that is the area where I got improved, like in the coming days, in the previous days which I
Can you repeat this again? What to do if you get the wrong answer?
like I for me the prepcast 4 result was extremely bad. It was below 60 percentage. So I thought like it was over. I when I said you that the results are too bad, but then prepcast 7 I could score better.
Yeah.
So the thing is like
So
I read prepcast 4.
reviewing both right answer and wrong
Exactly,
answer
correct.
is important. Yeah.
Correct. Even
Okay.
the right answer, maybe you have got by a lucky chance. Maybe you clicked A or B. Maybe you got it by a lucky chance. But understand why you have got the confusion. So once you read the right and wrong answer, it will be easy for you to going forward. Similar questions, if you are getting, it will be easy for you to crack it.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
major thing which I want to say. Then
Okay. 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 So what about those journeys that I shared you? The like in last 2 days we had a long discussion about that thing. I shared you all the journeys, how much they are important for exam.
I think that is a major part because all the journeys you need to master it because throughout the process you can all the questions are situational. It is not like direct question, which is the input, which is the tool. It is not like that. So if you understood the journey only, then you only if you master it only, you will understand from which process it is coming and what is the flow. So without understanding that journeys, I think
Okay.
80% of the questions will be difficult.
Okay, now step number one for everyone: understand the change request journey, deliverable journey, data journey, and all those journeys we have made it. And yesterday, but once when we had a conversation, and I put the exam content, initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and
Yes.
control. How helpful was that?
Yeah, even that was also more helpful because that was the last videos which I watched because everything was very useful because
Mhm.
I said the closing, even if you it is a very small topic, but the questions from closing seems little difficult, like it is little confusing. So that is the only thing which
Okay,
I feel.
for everyone who has Prepcast, what I'm going to recommend, go to the, like, after test 1 to 8, there's an option of learning quiz. Go to the learning quiz, select 100 questions and select closing and solve 100 question of closing. Then select 100 question of execution and solve that. You remember we did knowledge wise area
Yes,
question? Maybe that will
correct.
help. Thank you, Anand.
Yeah.
And really, it has been a fantastic journey with you. And it was a lovely journey. Like, he's coming, he's going to India. My brother wedding it was.
No, it was not brother's wedding. It was a function.
Yeah, it was some kind of function. I'm going India. I tell okay, okay, and suddenly I'm sick. I cannot go. Maybe I have a corona. I don't know. But thankfully, he didn't have the COVID, and he stayed. And that proved to be like a turning point. Like, we had more time to study.
Yes, and even like I took a break, like a 2 weeks break, and to be very frank, it's all what I learned in this 2 weeks. It helped me to clear the exam
So
to
people,
all
if
the people.
if they want to clear exam in 7 days, like we have exactly almost 7 days now, so they can clear the exam.
It's 100% possible.
Thank you, Anand.
I am
Thank you.
mere example.
Yeah, thank you very much, Anand. And it has been pleasure serving you. So see you if you want to maybe have maybe want to discuss sometime another time. We will see each other. Or if I visit to Dubai or India, then we will see each other.
Sure, sure.
Sure. Okay.
And to everybody who's watching this video, if you are planning to, I'm not telling like for the current 7 days, if somebody is planning for future in the new PMP versions, get trained with Amir because he is one of the best.
Thank you.
Because to
Thank you.
everything if you are doing bad, he'll directly tell, no, this is a bad result. If you're doing good, and he'll give you confidence. To be very frank, 2 days before the exams, he started asking me, and I don't see any trainer who would ping you and ask what is your status because I used to like my results are bad. I'm not going to update him right now. So he'll ask me what is your result. So he'll completely monitor you individually. So it's everybody for everyone I'm telling. So please do get trained with Amir if you're planning to get PMP in the near future. That's the advice for the
Thank you.
people who are planning to get PMP.
Thank you, Anand. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.